Have you ever considered how the questions we ask shape the world we live in? Questions are curious things, aren't they? They're not just words strung together but tools of exploration, pushing the boundaries of what we know and what we can imagine. Think back, if you will, to the dawn of civilization, when early humans gazed up at the night sky and asked, "What are those twinkling lights?" That simple question led us down a path of discovery, resulting in our current understanding of astronomy and space exploration. Or, consider the question, what causes disease? This query, asked by countless curious minds throughout history, has given rise to modern medicine and has saved millions of lives. And then there's the classic, what if we could fly? That question, once a fanciful dream, is now a reality that has revolutionized global travel and expanded our horizons quite literally. So, you see, it's not just about asking questions, but about asking the right ones, because when we do, we're not just seeking answers, we're challenging assumptions, we're driving innovation, and we're paving the way for learning and understanding. So asking the right questions can change not only our understanding, but the world itself. But how do we ask the right questions? Well, it all begins with understanding the distinction between open-ended and closed-ended questions. You see, closed-ended questions are those that can be answered with a simple yes or no, or with a specific piece of information. While they have their place, they don't necessarily encourage deeper thinking. On the other hand, open-ended questions are the ones that require more than a one-word answer. They stimulate thought, encourage dialogue, and can lead to new insights and discoveries. They're like keys opening doors to unexplored rooms of knowledge. Let's consider a few examples. In the realm of science, a closed-ended question might be, does the Earth revolve around the Sun? An open-ended version might be, how does the Earth's revolution around the Sun affect life on our planet? In literature, instead of asking, who is the protagonist in the story, which only requires a name as an answer, we could ask, how does the protagonist's journey reflect the central themes of the story? And in everyday life, rather than asking, did you enjoy the movie, we could ask, what elements of the movie resonated with you the most and why? Each of these open-ended questions invites a deeper, more thoughtful response. They promote critical thinking, foster meaningful conversations, and drive learning on a profound level. As we can see, open-ended questions are a powerful tool in our quest for knowledge. So, how can we encourage more question asking in our classrooms? A question-friendly environment starts with creating a safe space for asking questions. This means cultivating an atmosphere where no question is considered foolish or insignificant. It's about accepting and appreciating every inquiry, thus removing the fear of embarrassment or judgment. Yet a safe space alone isn't enough. We must kindle curiosity. The flame of curiosity is the driving force behind the most profound questions. By encouraging exploration and fostering an element of discovery in every lesson, we can stimulate the innate curiosity within each student. It's about not just teaching facts, but sparking the desire to delve deeper, to challenge assumptions, and to seek understanding. However, curiosity without direction can lead to confusion. That's where the art of asking good questions comes in. Teaching our students not just to ask questions, but to ask the right questions is key. It's about guiding them to craft questions that open up discussion, provoke thought, and lead to new insights. It's about coaching them to frame their curiosity in ways that promote learning and growth. And let's not forget about the power of leading by example. As educators, we have the opportunity to model good question asking. By incorporating our own questions into lessons, we can demonstrate the value and the art of inquiry. By fostering an environment where questions are encouraged, we can help our students become better learners and thinkers. What can we achieve when we start asking more and better questions? The potential impacts of a question-driven approach are immense, reaching far beyond the individual to classrooms and society at large. Imagine, for a moment, learners everywhere embracing curiosity, probing deeper into topics that intrigue them. This isn't just about accumulating knowledge, it's about developing critical thinking skills. It's about learning how to learn. By asking questions, learners become thinkers, capable of dissecting complex problems and constructing innovative solutions. The ripple effects of this kind of thinking can lead to groundbreaking innovations that shape our future. In classrooms, a culture of questioning fosters a dynamic, interactive environment where every learner contributes, every voice is heard, and every perspective is valued. It's an environment that nurtures not just academic growth but also social and emotional development. But the impact doesn't stop at the school gates. A society that values questioning is a society that's engaged, informed, and prepared to tackle the challenges of the future. It's a society that's not just consuming information, but also questioning it, scrutinizing it, and making informed decisions based on it. So, never underestimate the power of a good question. It might just change the world.